Hello students, in the last video you learned what is work and types of work. Now in this video you are going to study power. Yes, here the question rises, do we all have the same capability to do certain amount of work? So the answer, no. Every person have its own capacity to do certain amount of work. See one example here. Father and son are doing some work. Yes, they are pushing a trolley from one end of the road to other end. So who will complete the work first? So obviously the answer is son. Yes, when we are giving the answer here, son is doing the work fast and father doing the same work slowly. Son takes less time, father takes more time to do this work. So when we are going to study the amount of work with time, then one more new physical quantity we are introducing, that is power. So what is power? Power is the rate of doing work, or we can say the work done per unit time. Yes, power is equal to work by time. You know already the definition of work, that is force into displacement. Now see here, displacement by time, that means velocity. So power, we can write force into velocity. Power also represents how fast or how slow work is done. It determines the ability of individual. Power we can define in terms of energy also. Work done means what? Amount of energy consumed. So power is defined as energy consumed per unit time. See one example here. We are using electric bulb. So on bulb there is a rating, that on bulb we are representing, yes, the rating is there on bulb, that is 60 watt. That 60 watt, what it indicates? It indicates that 60 joule energy consumed in 1 second. Instantaneous power is the product of force and velocity. Power is a scalar quantity. Yes, scalar means what? A quantity which have only magnitude but no direction, that is scalar. SI unit of power is what? Definition of 1 watt. The power of an agent is said to be 1 watt if 1 joule work done in 1 second. That is, yes, 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then we can say the power is 1 watt. One more unit of power is there, that is horsepower. The relation between horsepower and watt is 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. So this one we can write in terms of kilowatt also, that is 0.746 kilowatt. The power depends on what factors? So you know the definition already. By that it is possible to say the power spent by a source depends on two factors. One, the amount of work, done by a source and the time taken by the source to do the said work. Now we go for the difference between work and power. So already we know the definition of work and definition of power. By that we can differentiate. First, work, we can write the definition there. It is the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. In power, it is the rate of doing work. So work does not depends on time, but power depends on time. The unit of work is joule, the unit of power is watt. Yes. In the next video you are going to study what is energy and types of energy. Okay. Thank you.